guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, basically I got my Air Jordan 1 mids through the post this morning, so we're just going to do an unboxing, a little review, and then I'll try them on so you can see what they look like on my feet at the end. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos, and I hope you enjoy. Through this morning, so I've already taken the cardboard box out that they came in. So this is the box, a nice black box with a gold Jordan sign, pretty plain, nothing really too fancy about it. So just opening them, they've got the tissue paper. They are so beautiful. So just to talk about the process of how I actually got these weren't through the usual way of like the sneakers app and then doing the draw that barely anyone ever wins. These were actually easier to get hold of, so I just had to find out the date that they were coming out and the time, and I just purely went onto the Nike app or the Nike website, and they came out at 8 o'clock on, I can't remember what day, on a certain date, and you just had to be quick. They did actually sell out, so you do have to be quick. You have to be on the dot at 8 AM. When you click on your size, you're not in some kind of draw, you can just buy it there and then. I think I actually went for a size 7, and then when I went to go buy it, the size 7 had already sold out of stock, so I went for a 6.5, which I still fit in, which was perfect for me, but still a bit annoying that I couldn't get a size 7. But yeah, so all the sizes do actually sell out, even though they are just on the Nike website, so you still have to be quick. That also means this particular colorway actually sells for more money. So if you go onto StockX, you can sell these for more than retail price, so you can actually make money on them. So for this specific size on StockX, I think I could sell them for 140 something, which is after costs and shipping and all of that, and I bought them for £104, so I can make like £30–40 profit, which is pretty cool. They're white and grey, as you can see, but it's quite a light grey, and then the tick is actually camo. The bottom of the shoe is also light grey. These, I would literally be so scared to get these dirty. Because they are white and they're kind of plain and grey kind of goes with everything. So there's so many outfits that you could style this with, and that is why I love this colorway. This is definitely got to be one of my favourite Jordans so far that I've seen. So guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with my latest unboxing videos. And I'll see you all soon.